Today, we are going to explore the 5 essential phases of ethical hacking. These are the structured steps that ethical hackers follow to identify and fix security weaknesses in a legal and controlled way. Reconnaissance information gathering. This is the very first step. The hacker tries to collect as much information as possible about the target system. This includes domain names, IP addresses, emails, and even employee details. There are 2 types of reconnaissance. Passive, gathering data without directly interacting with the system. Active, directly engaging with the target using tools like Nmap or ping scans. Think of it like planning a break-in but only to help improve the building's security. Scanning, finding vulnerabilities. Now that the hacker has some information, they scan the system to find weaknesses. This includes scanning for open ports, services running on those ports, and software versions. Popular tools for this include Nessus, Nmap, and Wireshark. This phase helps identify where the system might be vulnerable to an attack. Gaining access, breaking in legally. This is where the hacker tries to enter the system using the weaknesses they found. They might use techniques like brute force attacks, exploiting outdated software, SQL injection, and more. The goal is to demonstrate how a real hacker could break in, but with permission, of course. Maintaining access, staying in. Once inside, the ethical hacker checks if it's possible to stay hidden inside the system. They may create backdoors or install malware just for testing to see how well the system can detect or stop ongoing attacks. This helps the company understand how much damage a real hacker could do if they aren't detected. Covering tracks, erasing evidence. In this final step, the hacker tries to delete logs or clear any trace of their activities. Ethical hackers do this to test the effectiveness of monitoring and logging systems. If the system can still track suspicious activity even after the tracks are covered, that's a good sign. Conclusion. So, those are the 5 key phases of ethical hacking. Reconnaissance, scanning, gaining access, maintaining access, and covering tracks. Each step plays a critical role in helping companies protect themselves from real cyber attacks.